jumping on to start my day with you guys. So I wanted to hop on and show you guys how I like to start my day with 310 Nutrition. I know you guys have all heard me or seen me post about 310 a few times this month. I actually started out just trying them out. Like, I wasn't planning on buying anything. I wasn't planning on any of that. I thought, well, why not go ahead and order the kit and start a healthy lifestyle? Like, I'm a middle-aged woman. I am not in my 20s anymore. My metabolism has slowed down like a whole lot here lately. And, you know, 310 Nutrition is a very, very good for you. It's got so many superfoods in it, probiotics, vitamins, everything you can think of is just so, so good for you. I'm not a big health nut. I have never been a big health nut. I'm not big on losing weight. That's not what I'm here for, and that's not even what I bought the 310 for. More of what I bought the 310 for is, you know, to live a more healthy lifestyle. That's what I bought it for. Although losing weight is very nice. I've lost 5 pounds this past month without even really trying. So, I mean, that's an amazing thing. So anyways, I wanted to show you guys how I like to start my mornings and mix my shakes. Now, a couple little issues here. I went to the store to get my soy milk, yesterday. Before I ran out of my last thing of it, and they only had the original. I usually like using the non-sugared and this is not it. This is the original. So I usually like using the other soy milk. I also usually like mixing bananas and strawberries in my shakes in the morning because it's super good. And I'm all out of that too. So I'm just going to mix a regular shake and show you guys how I like to mix my shakes in the mornings. So starting with my shaker cup, that's another issue. I had to go buy another shaker cup because my kids broke my other one. I actually like this one a little bit better because it came with the ball for easy mixing. So I like using it. So first of all, I like starting out with my 310 probiotics. These are just give you an extra little boost of that probiotic gut health. So I start out with one of those. You take 1 capsule per day. So that's what I do in the mornings. I put that out and get that ready before I mix my shake. Then I start out with my soy milk and I open that up. This one hasn't been opened yet, so I'm just going to open this up real quick. Then I like to pour 12 ounces, and this cup here is labeled, so I know where 12 ounces is on this one. And I just pour 12 ounces. I will set that to the side for a minute. And then here is also I want to mention this is all plant-based. It's all natural. You will find no bad stuff. There's no bad stuff in this. It's keto friendly. I mean, it's all good for you. Like, this is totally good for you. It does help curb your appetite. So it can be a meal replacement shake if you want to use it for that. They also have detox teas, lemonades, probiotics, peanut butter powder, which I'm going to pull out here in just a minute. I mean, they have so much stuff. And like I said, I use mine just for more of a health boost, to get a healthier lifestyle, to live a healthier lifestyle, which I've never done. Like I said, I lost 5 pounds this month. They do have the lemonades, though, that boost metabolism, which I also have. And they also have teas, detox teas, which helps detox the body. So I do use both of those. I do have both of those, but I use those more throughout the day and not in the mornings. So I just wanted to show you what my morning consisted of with it. So anyways, here is the shake mix. Here is the little measuring cup here. So I just take 1 scoopful, just like so, and I pour it in my shaker cup. And that's it. So then I also like using the 310 peanut butter powder. It is 6 grams of protein, gluten-free, non-GMO, and it's just peanuts. It's just peanuts, no additives at all. I forgot to mention that the shakes, they are only, I think it's 60 or 90 calories. It might be 90 calories. Yes, 90 calories per shake. And these taste good. Like, I've tried protein shakes from other companies, and like, they didn't taste good. These actually taste good. I like the taste of this. Other ones I've tried have been gritty and everything else, and I hate that whenever, you know, a shake is like that. It's not good. It don't make me want to drink it. These, I promise you, like, I actually crave them. It's crazy because I crave them. So it's really weird. Oh, okay, so the next thing that I do, I just leave my little measuring cup. I have this little measuring cup here for my peanut butter, and I take 2 scoops, just like so. There's 1 scoop, and I add it to my shake, and then I put 1 more scoop, and there's my second one. That is it. So then I will put my cup back together. And like I said, normally I would put strawberries and bananas in this in the mornings, or you can put whatever fruit you want to. You don't have to use strawberries and bananas. You can do whatever you want. I like strawberries and bananas. It's just my thing. So I usually will put this in a blender first. I have a little portable blender that I'll put it in, and I'll mix it all together, and then I'll pour it back in my cup. But since I'm not doing the fruits this morning, I will just do it like so and mix it right in the cup. So then we shake, shake, shake. And you want to make sure that you get it good and shaked up, and that way it don't have that grittiness to it. Because, I mean, it does have a little bit of grit to it, but nothing compared to what I've had before. And that's it. So then you have some nice frothy goodness to drink in the mornings, and I promise you guys, like, it takes 2 drinks for me and I feel full. Like, it literally makes me feel full within 2 drinks. I can feel it working. So I'm going to try to show you guys this. Some nice frothy goodness, and you don't see really any grit in that at all. I love it. I really enjoy drinking it in the mornings. It's become my morning routine, the first thing that I do in the mornings. I just enjoy it, and I will be a continuous buyer of it. So thank you guys so much at 310 Nutrition for getting me started and hooked on this. I did buy my own kit. This kit did not come gifted or any of that, so I don't have to advertise this kit. It's good. It's so good. I literally crave them. They are that good. So I do want to mention that I do have a link in my bio if you guys want to use that right now. It is a link to get the trial kit totally free, which is an amazing deal right now. You get their shaker cup. You get, I think, 4 different packs of the shake mixes to try. You get teas, you get lemonade, you get a $10 e-gift card. You get ebooks to learn how different ways to mix your shakes. I mean, you get quite a bit. And the only thing that you have to pay is shipping. The shipping is only $6.99. So, I mean, for everything that you get, like, that's an amazing deal. And that deal will only last till the end of this month, you guys. So seriously, go check that out. Hit that up and take advantage of that, because you're going to miss out if you don't. Anyways, I hope you guys have a great morning and have a wonderful day. And thank you for watching.